Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to get fixed salary from Snack app. If you have 1000 friends or 1000 followers on any social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, or any other social media, you have 1000 followers, you can get $20 salary. If you have more than 1000 followers, you can get according to your followers or subscribers salary. Let's suppose if you have more than 50,000 subscribers on YouTube, then you can get up to $80 every month fixed salary. What you have to do, you have to join any Snack family. Our Snack family link is given in the video description. You can click on that and you will reach here. Here you will see our family. You have to click on it and then you will reach here, and then here you will see send application option. You have to click on it and your application will be submitted to us. We'll review your application. Once your application will be approved, then you will start getting every month salary according to your followers or subscribers. So this is a great opportunity for everyone who have more than 1000 followers or subscribers on other social media. Then you can get benefit from this offer. You will get paid every month. You will get fixed salary if you will make videos that will be apart from this salary. So if you want to join Snackvideo family, the link of our family is given in the video description. You can click on that link and you can join Snack family, and you will start getting every month fixed salary according to your followers or subscribers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.